How does a boat engine work? Well, the boat engine is just like any other combustion engine with a few modifications to account for the water environment. Gasoline or diesel fuel is injected into the internal combustion engine, which ignites and produces power to turn the boat propeller blades and move the boat. The engine has several components that work together to generate power. The primary components are the cylinders, pistons, crankshaft, and camshaft. The cylinders are where the fuel-air mixture is compressed and ignited. Pistons within each cylinder move up and down, transferring the energy from combustion to the crankshaft, turning rotational force into linear motion. The camshaft is responsible for actuating the engine's valves by opening and closing them. The valves control the intake and exhaust of fuel-air mixtures in the cylinders. To run the engine, the operator turns the ignition key, which sends a signal to the starter motor. The starter motor turns the crankshaft until the cylinders are in the correct position to begin the combustion process. Once the engine is running, the operator controls the throttle to adjust the amount of fuel-air mixture entering the cylinders. The boat engine also has a cooling system that regulates the engine temperature and protects it from overheating. Seawater or fresh water is drawn in from the surrounding environment and circulated through the engine's components, absorbing excess heat before being expelled back into the water. That's just a brief overview of how a boat engine works. There are, of course, many more details and nuances involved, but understanding these fundamental components is essential to understanding how the engine propels the boat through the water.